Once upon a time, in a cozy little town nestled amongst the hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her cheerful smile and her knack for storytelling. She had a best friend, a chubby little sparrow named Tweedle, who always perched on her window ledge, chirping stories from his bird's-eye view of the world. Life in the town was calm and peaceful, with daisies lining the cobblestone paths and the sweet scent of cookies wafting from the bakery. But one day, a great storm brewed, unlike any the townsfolk had seen. The sky turned grey and swirling winds whispered ominously through the streets. The storm brought unexpected challenges, tearing down signposts, toppling market stalls, and frightening the townsfolk. But it was during this turmoil that Lily discovered the inner fortitude she never knew she possessed. Instead of hiding away, Lily decided to help. Armed with little more than her kindness and a cheerful resolve, she set about to rally her fellow townsfolk. Lily approached Mr. Waggles, the baker, offering to help rebuild his toppled stall with the sturdy bread crates he often discarded. To her surprise, working together, they found a new efficiency in stacking and arranging the crates, a strategy that made his stall stronger than before. "I never thought to use these," admitted a bashful Mr. Waggles. "Thank you, Lily, for showing me a new way." Encouraged, Lily and Tweedle flitted from neighbor to neighbor, lending a hand wherever needed. At the tailor's, Lily helped Mrs. Thimble restore her wind-tangled clothesline by constructing a clever pulley system made from strong twine and some old curtain rings. Watching her creation stand firm against the jittery breeze, Mrs. Thimble exclaimed, "Such ingenuity, Lily! You've a gift for turning scraps into strength." With each passing stormy day, Lily's confidence blossomed like the daisies on a spring morn. She began to realize that adversity was an unasked-for teacher, gently coaxing out talents and strengths she didn't know lay within her. Tweedle, her perpetual companion, was always by her side. He tweeted encouragingly from his vantage, spotting fallen roofs or scattered goods. Through this shared adversity, the townsfolk discovered an unspoken strength in unity. Humbled by the challenges, they learnt patience, giving more of their time and hearts to each other. It became evident that every repaired stall stood as a testament to their collective resilience. One sunny afternoon, when the storm had finally passed, Mayor Chesterton called for a gathering in the town square. With a proud flourish, he presented Lily with a golden feather pin as a symbol of the newfound spirit of community she fostered. For showing courage and creativity, Mayor Chesterton addressed the gleaming crowd. "Lily's leadership has brought us together, revealing the strength we didn't know we had. She's taught us all how adversity can build not just better stalls and stronger lines, but a closer, stronger community." And so, Lily learned that within the heart of every storm lies an opportunity to uncover unknown strengths, and with a little courage and kindness, anything can be rebuilt, even stronger than before. And so, with smiles and stories to share, Lily and Tweedle continued to explore their little town, ready to face whatever challenge might come their way, knowing now, with certainty, that they were ever stronger together. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!